Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best folding ladders that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have HB Tower 3-step ladder. With the weight carrying capacity of 500 lbs, you cannot go wrong with this 3-step ladder. The folding design makes storage easy. Also, steel construction increases the durability manifold. The excellent stability, along with the non-scratching feet, ensures that you can use it on any surface. The cross-brace structure increases the sturdiness further. It is easy to open and close. If you prefer an iron rather than an aluminum folding ladder, consider this option. Moving on at number 4, we have Chara Home 4-step ladder. The advantage of this folding ladder is that it comes along with a detachable tool bag. Due to the same, working in your home is easy. The weight carrying capacity is 500 lbs. It consists of 4 steps in total. The side rails ensure that you can move up and down quite easily. The non-slip pedals allow you to move over the ladder. The folding design is another reason why you should go for it. Moreover, the heavy-duty steel frame does not disappoint either. If you're looking for one which has a detachable tool bag on offer, you should consider this one. At number 3, we have 16.5 ft aluminum telescoping extension ladder. The height of this ladder is 16.5 feet. However, since it is folded, it is easy to store. Also, the 330 lbs weight carrying capacity does not disappoint. With the help of an anti-slip foot pedal and anti-slip feet, you can use it easily. The aluminum design does not disappoint either. The mechanical locks ensure that it will remain stable. The height-adjusting nature is another reason to go for it. The aluminum construction and the anti-slip design helps it stand out. At number 2, we have Delso folding 4-step ladder. The 4-step ladder which we are highlighting now can carry up to 300 lbs. The steel steps, along with the non-slip pads, ensure that you can move on it easily. You get a proper hand grip. Not only that, the folding design makes it portable. The cross-brace structure means that it will stand the test of time. The steel design imparts it with a longer lifespan. The heel-to-toe support which it offers makes it easy for you to use. If you're looking for a safe ladder that is easy to use, you should consider this one. And finally at number 1. Good Life 15.5 ft Telescopic ladder. The height of 15.5 makes this ladder a good buy. Not only that, it is telescopic in design. Due to the same, when you're storing it, it will not occupy a lot of space either. The weight carrying capacity is 330 lbs. The aluminum alloy construction increases the durability further. You get a non-slip bottom, which is another reason to buy it. Moreover, the pinch closure system makes it easy to use. The folded height is 36.5 inches. It is easy to use due to the same. With so many features, you cannot go wrong with this folding ladder. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.